You say, no, like a lack of development for you. Them want place can employ because I'm a self-employed person.
What do you do?
We do farming, man. We plant yam, raise goat, raise bees.
Bees?
Yeah.
Good, yeah, good.
But don't you say lack of...
You do honey?
Yeah, the honey raise, but we don't fully understand everything. But we don't want more resources for you, them as I can see. So don't you say lack of infrastructure for say employ.
You know the challenge I'm facing? I'll tell you what the challenge I'm facing. So just a couple of days ago, I got a call from a businessman saying, I can't find people to work. Serious business, you know. So yes, can't find people. Saying, listen, we have to do something about it because, you know, his factory is slowing down. Can't get his output up because he hires people today and 3-4 weeks, they're gone. So no, but hold on. So when I come here now, and they said to me, well, the youth them unemployed. Well, you are technically not unemployed. You are a